This pan and brake box from Klutch is the ideal choice for light manufacturing of electrical switch boxes, metal cabinets, cases, pans, and boxes. It has the functions of a conventional handbrake, yet can form a box with 4 sides and a bottom from a single sheet of metal. It bends mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and copper plates up to 0.03 inches thick. It has a bending capacity of 22-gauge mild steel or 26-gauge stainless steel up to 48¼ inches wide, as well as 1.5 millimeter thick aluminum. It includes 16 removable fingers with widths of 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches. The maximum lift height is 7/8 inches, and it has a 135-degree maximum brake angle. Manufacture electrical switch boxes, metal cabinets, cases, and more with this pan and brake box from Klutch.